Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Brightsider. And as you can see, today we're going to make pancakes. You like pancakes, do ya? But not your usual pancakes. We're going to make the Austrian version of pancakes, which is called Palatschinken. Yeah, okay? And now we're going to cook them for you so you can do that at home. Okay, you're going to need 1 brick of butter. You're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to need flour. You're going to need salt. You're going to need the plastic jar. You're going to need a pan as well. You're going to need milk, and you're going to need sunflower oil and a bowl. Doesn't matter which color, just take a bowl. And you're going to need sparkling water. As soon as you gathered all your ingredients, you may start cooking. Exactly. First, you open your eggs and put most of it into the bowl. Please don't use the shell. So another egg. There it goes. As soon as you inserted your 3 eggs into the bowl, you then take this and you do that. That doesn't look too tasty for now. Okay, then you take your jar and you insert milk. How much? We'll see. 0.6 liters of milk. And then you insert the milk into the yolk egg stuff. There it is. Look at this. This looks really disgusting for now, but it's getting better, trust me. Look at this. Next, you're going to add salt. A handful of salt. Then you're going to take flour and you just pour it in there. How much? You might ask yourselves, but okay, it's all about flour in there. So you add flour until the viscosity of this mixture is just right. We're going to show you how it's supposed to look like. So for now, just be happy with this, okay? So next, you're going to take your water, your sparkling water, and you're going to add 1 drop of it. Okay, so why even add water in the first place if you're just going to add 1 drop of it? But hey, 1 drop of sparkling water is going to change the whole dish. Check the viscosity of your mixture. Not yet, not yet. Add some more flour. And then again, stir it up. So, the consistency, is it right? Okay, now the consistency is right, as you can see. And this is what you need to produce your perfect palatschinks. Palatschinks. Next, you get your pan and then you add some butter. That much butter. Just put it into the pan and wait for it to melt. Please don't get in front of my lens, please. Okay, now you also add some sunflower oil and some butter. As you can see, the butter is melting. In the meantime, get a plate. You might need it. The surface of the pan is kind of oily, buttery, but that's exactly how it's supposed to be like, I suppose. I'm good at eating though. No pun intended. As soon as bubbles appear, you're going to take 1 thing and add it. Just like that. And then you do this, okay? So I just was told that the first one always sucks. It always looks like crap. So let's just wait for the second one, shall we? We should get a new pan. This is the crappy one, but the next ones will be much better and rounder, I guess. Move the pan around like this, and then you get these perfect shapes. Perfect circle, as you can see. So this is a crappy one, but the first one will always be crappy, so don't cry. You just wait for like 30 seconds each, and then you turn it around. This is how your palatschinks, pancakes, whatever you might want to call it, should look like. Okay? Amazing. And then you stack them up. Pan. Cake. Speeding up the footage. Turning the pancake around. Smoking hot. Cooking video. Professional editing. The last pancake looks like a turd. Now the last pancake is being cooked. Now turn it around one last time. Look at the funny circles. Not quite round, but still. There we have our finished pancakes, Palatschinken. And there we have the last one that is currently being cooked. And now it's done. There we have them on our plate. Looking amazing. And now we're going to show you how to properly eat those things. You don't just stack them up and put jelly in between them. No. You take one and then you take the jelly of your choice. In this case we have, what is this? Apricot jelly. And then you apply it onto your palatschink. This is how you do it. Look at it. Look at it. And now comes the tricky part. Not so tricky if you're a person that likes to roll things. Then you're pretty used to the procedure of this. And that is your finished palatschink. You can use whatever jelly you like. You can even use peanut butter or Nutella or whatever. And this is how it looks like. What the hell are you doing? The presentation sucks. And this is how you make palatschinken or pancakes. Vienna style pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come again soon. Bye.